YouTube, get to your Home Depot while you can. I'm gonna make this short video here. Look at this, $90. Just picked up the Milwaukee brushless impact driver, battery charger, 90 bucks. It was 99, and I'm pretty sure these are $160 regularly at Home Depot. It was 99 during the Christmas and Black Friday sales. Now they got them in Home Depot. Well, my Home Depot in Connecticut. 90 bucks I just paid for this. And let me reach in the back seat over here. And when I got to my buddy's car I'm working for, I got another little surprise here. He bought a kit, returned the kit, and got the free battery. So I just got a Milwaukee. I'm lucky. I just got a Milwaukee XC 5.0 red lithium battery for 70 bucks. This is a $150 battery, I'm pretty sure. But anyways, I'll be unboxing those in a little while when I get home, because I'm actually I don't know if you could see here, I'm at Napoli's. You can't see because my camera won't focus, and it's starting to rain outside. So when I get home, I'll do an unboxing and yeah, add this to my drill collection. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and get to Home Depot as soon as you can, because 90 bucks for a Milwaukee M18. And I don't think this is a fuel. I think this is Gen 3. But still, Milwaukee brushless with a 2 amp hour battery. Is it a 2 amp hour battery? Let me see here. Yep, with a 2 amp hour battery. 2.0 battery. The charger, bag, and tool. 90 bucks. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and later on tonight I'll do this unboxing, get this a little test run, and add it to my collection. Thanks for watching.